Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. We're still in the gorgeous Benidorm and we're going to take a little walk down Levante Beach. Let's see while gone, you know the vibe.
So we just had a beer. We sat up there having a beer up on the roof
Penelope
terrace.
Beach Club.
So yeah, that's the one where you got the girls in the afternoon
Yeah.
slapping everyone's bums. So yeah, there's the old Rock of Benidorm. That's what it's called. Route 66, is this one? No, it's not Route 66.
No, this is...
Hard Rock, Hard.
Yeah, Hard Beach.
This is Hard Beach,
Heart
yeah.
Beach.
Heart Beach, nice.
Heartbreak. We can't read. You've had one beer and it's all over.
Let's go and get more and more beers. What I'm going to do, we're going to walk to English Square. We're going to stop there. So, got a bit of a stomp to go. This might be a long video, this one. It says I've got 50 minutes of recording. So, plenty of time. We'll see if this is 2 videos or one. We're going to try and walk along the beach for as long as possible and then head up to the left.
Yeah. Had one in... Did we have one in the Jolly Roger?
No, we had one next to
Next to it, yeah.
Yeah. So, it's lovely hot today. It's about 24 degrees at the moment. A little bit of a wind.
Yeah.
So up here, we've got Irish bar. We had a nice drink in there. Check this guy's jacket. It's quite a cool jacket. Oh, sorry. So yeah, Jolly Roger. Everyone out. Everyone having fun, drinking.
Not as many people in the sea today. Yesterday it was a little more busy on this beach, wasn't it?
Yeah, a lot more busy, wasn't it?
Yeah, a lot more busier. Still people sunbathing though.
So, Daytona. Oh, okay. I thought this one was Route 66, but it's Daytona. They have a nice. It's already on. Is there singing now? But yeah, they're back. So. Everyone enjoying their selves.
Always when the sun's out.
Yeah, sun's out. Get your bums out.
Guns out.
Get your bums out, no guns. Yeah.
Got a pool, hotel with a pool there, so nice place to sunbathe. Got the
What's
beach
this
right
one?
there.
My Miller.
Costa Blanca.
Yeah. So we've been to the Costa del Sol and the Costa Blanca. And we're going to Faro, Albufeira. So we've got a lot to see over the next month or so. Loads of videos. When we're back, we're going to get to doing like 2 videos per day. You got the old people there, scammers.
Maybe that's what one name is. Scammer.
Yes, sir. You can see them in the background doing their scammings. So yeah, don't play their little games.
Yeah. You're not going to win.
Set up to lose. So yeah, nice day today. Probably the best day so far of the trip for me.
Yeah.
I've been a few places already.
Well, I think I arrived.
The very first day when I turned up in Promenade, it was lovely. That was a lovely day. But then it just cloudy for the next 3 days later. It was all just cloudy. So yeah, it is what it is. You've got to make the most of it. Got to get out there filming.
Oh, look, that one. You got the pool there. It's quite cool. Look.
Hotel Campbell.
So is that rooms? Do you get your own little...
Yeah.
Oh, it's divided. Okay. Let us know in the comments if anyone stayed there before.
I'll try and show you guys quickly.
So you've got your own little kind of... The pool's been... So it's like dipping size. How's the pool? Is it nice? I don't think they hear me. Looks lovely.
So yeah.
So yeah, it's a nice one. You've got this lovely view as well.
Straight over.
Yeah. Very nice.
We'll have to give that one a try one time.
Yeah,
Got a little
it looks
dipping
really
pool.
good,
Really
yeah.
nice. I think, like I said, we want to change the channel next year. I said I wanted to do it this year. And nothing really goes to plan, does it? So
No, you just got to kind of, I think...
evolve,
Yeah.
move into whatever's next. So we're still doing our film stuff, but next year I want to move into more hotels. I want to less walking tours, more hotel reviews. So we'll see. We'll get there in the
I
end.
think by then we would have done so much of the areas that there's so much content that we've already got on the channel.
Yeah.
So it'd be nice to have some different content for our
I
viewers.
think we always do the updates. We always
Yeah.
do like a drink and food price updates. It's always good to do.
Show you the beach and the different
Yeah.
areas, nightlife.
But we do want to move more into the luxury side of holidaying.
Yeah.
Be nice to have a relax sometimes. Yeah. Is there football on? What day is it? Monday?
That's a football on Saturday.
No. But that won't be tonight.
Yeah, it's a dreadful day for me as a Spurs supporter. Not very
Why is
good.
that, Sabrina? Why is that?
We may have lost. Lost a lot.
Yeah.
Wasn't good.
What's everyone's bets on who's going down, West Ham or Tottenham? Or is it going to be a surprise, someone else? I think the third place to go down is going to go down with like 38 points, maybe 40 points this year. I said it first. I think 40 is going to be the safe this year. So, still a lot of games to go.
Yeah.
7 games to go. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's a nice long walk, and you can ride your bike along here, and people sort of take those big scooters and stuff for the mobility.
Yeah.
So if you are someone who has got mobility issues, this is a very straight promenade.
Also got a lot of mobility scooters that you can
Yeah.
get, so they're quite cheap for a day. So we just missed everyone. Johnny Vlogger was out here, Yorkshire Lee was out, a few of them were out. We missed everyone. We came out, well, I came out the day after Paddy's Day. So
Yeah, they're all here for the
they was all here for Paddy's Day.
fun and mayhem of St Patrick's.
Yeah, we missed it. Didn't reach Benidorm till yesterday, so we're gonna go left at the next one, I think.
Yeah.
We'll get to Tiki Beach. We go up down there.
Go with the chips and the drink, $8.90.
That's there.
Buy some prices on food.
Yeah. See, it is warm, but I'm still wearing a jacket.
Yeah, I got long sleeve on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's, you know, the wind's a bit of a still blowing.
Still got a little bit of a chill to it.
Let's get out of the way of the van.
But once you're walking in it, it is nice. I don't feel as cold as yesterday.
She was freezing yesterday, but the
I
wind
wore
was more.
shorts though, so I feel like that was my mistake to wear shorts. Got
Yeah.
a little ahead of myself.
She did.
A bit more empty in the restaurants now. I think that lunchtime rush has gone.
It's just going up for what? There we go.
I guess. I do.
Here we go. Let's walk in the middle of the road as cars are coming one way. So, we're going to go to, what's it called? Salon City?
Yeah, literally
Which is
just.
right, which is perfect timing. So, quickly check the prices out here. We'll end the video. Get some beer.
Big screen and everything.
Yeah.
Gosh, walking against the wind up here.
It's really blowing. I'm making that eyes water. Oh, so it's called Silver City. Not as busy today. Yesterday it was a bit later actually. We came out around about 4 o'clock yesterday. We didn't film yesterday. We had a day off. Sabrina
And the
just
football
got there.
was on, wasn't it? So that's why I think it was busier.
Yeah, Sabrina just joined me yesterday, so we had a day off. I had a day off. I need a day off.
And I'd been up for at that point, I think it was like 24 hours, and I had about 2 hours sleep, so I was yeah, I needed some beauty sleep. So I think we came back after watching the football. Text and I lay down, and then I think I was in bed by like 7. So I had a good night's sleep.
Good night's sleep.
Really needed it.
So, got a few seconds waiting. We've got 60 seconds. Let me sneak across. I don't think so. There we go. After this car, we're going to go across. Careful, the guy coming up to your right, Spinner.
Oh yeah, got all the little whizzers.
So yeah, we're going to head in there. Look at that, you get 2 pints for $3.50, and because they're not full pints, I think that's a really good deal.
Yeah, because the last place we just went, it was 6, wasn't it? No, 5.
Exactly the same.
6 or 5. Yeah.
Exactly the same price. So look at that, $3.50, 2
Take
pints.
a photo of it.
Let's go in and get ourselves 2 beers. Come on. Hello. Can I get 2 beers? 2 Amstel, please. Please. Let's get our beers. We're going to sit down. Alright, well, you just reach here, so cheers to Bruno.
Cheers.
Good guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, like the videos, share with anyone who likes to come to Benidorm.
And comment below where you want us to go next.
Catch you later.